What if I told you that you could walk into a Wells Fargo branch today and within a few months have access to up to $350,000 in funding? No tax returns, no income verification, no begging for approval. Sounds crazy, right? But this is exactly what's happening right now, and most people have no idea it's even possible. Let me break down the entire playbook. The secret Wells Fargo doesn't advertise. Wells Fargo is quietly approving no-doc business lines of credit up to $150,000. That's unsecured money, no collateral. And here's the kicker, it doesn't even report to your personal credit. But wait, it gets better. When you stack this the right way, you can pull a business card for another 50 grand, a personal loan for 100,000, and even a personal 0% card for another 50. Add it all up, that's $350,000 from a single bank. Now, before you run to your nearest branch, let me tell you exactly what you need to make this work, because 99% of people do this completely wrong. The profile you need. First, let's talk credit scores. Wells Fargo pulls Experian. If your score is below 720, don't even bother. That's the floor. But ideally, you want a 740 or higher. Next, your business credit matters more than you think. You need an Experian business score of at least 80 and an SBSS score, that's the Small Business Scoring Service, of 180 or higher. If you don't have business credit yet, you can build it through platforms like Nav and eCredible. And here's a big one, time in business. For the full 150 line, you need at least 2 years. Under 2 years, you're capped at 50,000. Under 6 months, you might only see 15 to 35K. Here's what most people miss. Wells Fargo is a relationship-based bank. You can't just walk in off the street asking for 150 grand. They'll laugh you out the door. Instead, you need to play the long game. Step 1. Open a business checking account. Go in person. Bring your articles of organization, your EIN letter, your operating agreement, and your ID. Tell them you want to open a business checking account and establish a relationship with the bank. Don't lead with the credit request. When you open the account, they'll do a soft pull on your Experian. If your profile is strong, you might get an instant pre-approval for their Business Signify card. That card comes with 0% interest for 12 months and limits ranging from 10 to 60 grand depending on your relationship. Take it if they offer it. The 100-day seasoning period. Now comes the part where most people fail. They open the account and immediately start asking for money. Wrong move. You need to season that account for about 100 days. That's roughly 3 to 4 months of real business activity. Run $10,000 to $30,000 a month through the account. Use your business card and pay it off. If you can, add a merchant account. It signals legitimacy and strengthens your internal rating. This is the dating phase. You're showing Wells Fargo that you're a real business with real cash flow. You're building trust before you pop the big question. After 100 days of solid deposits and activity, go back to your branch, ask to speak with your relationship manager. Tell them you've built a solid relationship over the past few months and you'd like to apply for the maximum unsecured business line of credit. Behind the scenes, they're checking your Experian personal and business scores, your SBSS, your deposit history, and your overall business compliance. If everything lines up, that's when we're seeing approvals for $75,000 to $150,000. No docs required. But why people get denied? Let me save you from the most common mistakes. Too many recent inquiries on your credit report. Banks see that and think you're desperate for money. Keep it to 2 or 3 new accounts in the last 6 months. Weak credit profile. Even if your score looks good, if all your cards have $5,000 limits, that's a red flag. Banks lend based on your credit resume, not just your score. Business non-compliance. If your LLC info doesn't match across the Secretary of State, IRS, your bank, and your Google business listing, you're done. They want to see a real, verifiable business. And please, avoid virtual offices and P.O. boxes. Wells Fargo does not like them. Use your home address or a real commercial space. This isn't about gaming the system. It's about understanding how banks actually work and positioning yourself as the ideal borrower. Build your credit, build your business profile, build the relationship, and when the time is right, make your move. $350,000 is sitting there waiting. The question is, Are you gonna go get it?